never fails to give us real life experiences, and this election is one such opportunity.
At Madagondapalli Model School, we believe that the best way to prepare our students for the future is to let them live it today. And that's what exactly we have been doing consistently and proudly for over 25 years now. This month, our students took part in a democratic process in a real and meaningful way. Every year, we run full-fledged Students' Council election with nomination forms, campaigns, speeches, and real voting, just like how it happens across the country. It's a powerful lesson in leadership, responsibility, and what it means to be a part of democracy.
Hi Jivika, how are you?
I'm fine, Dhriti. How are you?
I'm good.
How did your election go?
It was great. I was super excited to participate when Principal Sir announced about the election. What about you, Jivika?
I enjoyed it a lot. Even before the announcement of the election, all the students were eagerly waiting. Interested candidates were rushing to collect the nomination forms.
All the candidates filled their nomination form and came out with a good motto and a meaningful strategy for the campaign.
Soon after the submission of the nomination forms, and once all the candidates got their approvals, everyone started their campaigning with their supporters.
We were also provided with an opportunity to present ourselves in the mass campaigning.
I enjoyed it because going through each and every single class, the students out there gave me so much of suggestions and attention and responses that actually motivated me. I feel like the class campaigning actually boosted me a lot for the mass campaigning, because the mass campaigning where every student were present and I was quite anxious, but once I went there, everything went off and I didn't even have stage fear. How did yours go?
Yeah, it was great, and each and every student gave their suggestion, which made me to think more, and their support gave me a strength to talk more and execute my vision in the mass campaigning. Being a humanities and political science student, this gave me hands-on experience and clarity. On the day of election, all the students were excited to elect their leaders, and they did it.
This is my first time voting and I had a good experience.
This school election shows us the value of democracy, and it prepares us for the future when we are going to elect our own leaders when we are adults.
This is my second time voting, but the feeling was still the same. But it was also hard to vote because I had to choose between two people. It was an interesting experience.
I'm also excited because I can express my voice through this election.
I want to stand for the election when I'm in 9th grade.
Many students came and told me that they voted for me, and that made me super excited.
My vote matters.
On the same day, the counting process also went smoothly, with us being the eyewitness. At the time of counting, everyone were making random guesses on who is going to be elected as the head boy, sports secretary, and the head girl.
This year, our students took part with so much energy and passion. They were not just voting, they were thinking, choosing, and leading. And that's what School is all about. Letting children take charge, speak up, and be future ready today.
At MMS, this election was a fair process because from the management, teachers, students, also the candidates were able to experience the counting process and I witnessed it.
From the start, we focused on the core values of democracy, fairness, and participation. Every student had equal opportunity based on the criteria like participation, discipline, and active involvement in the school activities. Each candidate was given equal time and space to campaign like speeches, posters, and manifestos. So every voice was heard. Voting was conducted through secret ballot papers and allowed the students to vote fairly and freely. The process was closely monitored by the teachers and the student volunteers to prevent any bias. More than election, it was a powerful learning experience in leadership, fairness, and teamwork. We are proud that the process was truly inclusive and democratic.
Teachers and management gave the wonderful opportunity and guided us through the selection process.
We're all students who are going to face the real world one fine day, and one such opportunity like this election is something which actually enhances our ability to face the world.
No matter juniors and seniors, they supported every candidate,
Thanks for providing us with such a great opportunity that actually created a new experience.
which is preparing us for the future.
Thank you,
MMS.